I have no idea what persuaded me to play this game, but here I am. Jeff? Oh, it's a woman. Jeff? Are you okay? I can't feel my legs. Don't worry, Jeff. I'll go get help. It's the worst headache ever, but I think I'm alright. It's getting dark. Better get the flashlight out of the trunk. Oh, hold on one second. What is that on my screen? What is that green thing? Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna worry about it. Hopefully y'all don't see that. What is that? No, I don't like that. I do not like these controls at all. Like, it's like it doesn't move with the camera. My flashlight. Pick it up. Yes! Alright. Y'all serious? Don't ever do that. Is there like a first person view on here? Doesn't seem like it. The void? Like, what is that? What a creepy old shed. It's boarded up. Sure. I mean, yeah, you could definitely slip. What in the world is that? I'm sorry. If this game paused, I still hear sounds. Oh, it's one of those. I might not ever be able to beat this game. I'm telling you right now. Looks like some kids drew a pentagram back here. Like, are you serious? Some kids? You know they ain't got that level of precision. Like, what is that? This is not even a path. You're just climbing a mountain. Even if you got help, what makes you think someone is about to do all what you're doing right now? Like, pardon? Sir. Sir. Sir.
What's good, you got?
Okay. Okay, sure. Yeah, just despawn, because that certainly helps me a lot, right? I need to turn these. I feel like I need to turn these headphones down. Either that or. Because I really don't like horror games. I don't know how I'm playing this first. I'm waiting on God of War. Typically, like, probably gonna be one of those YouTubers that talks the entire time. Because I'm scared. If it's too silent, there ain't nothing going on. Like, creeps me out, man. Go inside. Not like I have a choice. Okay. Wait. Hold on, can I leave real quick? Like, I made a mistake. What do you mean you can't leave yet? The door's unlocked. I'm not trying to tell you to leave permanently. I'm just saying walk back outside real quick. Listen. I regret playing this game already. Like, I'm not ready. I feel like I'm about to have a heart attack already. Like, can I turn these headphones down? Is that even possible? Oh, it is. Never mind. Listen, I'm not no punk, but I can't take jump scares. See, I told you! I told you! It's locked. Somebody locked me in. That's why I told you to leave! You don't walk in some creepy abandoned place and expect there to be help. Like, do you see this place? You didn't even call out to that dude. Okay. Just attempt to grit your teeth and walk through this place, and hopefully you don't get jump scared. Am I right? I'm not right. Yo. It's locked, metal door. I feel. Wait, what? Feels like I'm being watched. Please don't ever say that out loud. Or in text. Or anything. Yo, I can't take it. I don't like horror games. And the controls suck. You have to turn all the way around for you to go that. I'm gonna take my headphones off real quick. Whatever that was just now that just popped up on my screen. Listen. Y'all are like, play the game and quit bitching. I'm like, listen. This game ain't it. I can't take jump scares. Like, what was that? Hold on. And hold the flashlight still. Jesus. What is that? We're not going in there. Nope. Too dark. Flashlight or not. I don't like these hallways. If I get jump scared one time, I'm not touching this game no more. I'll play something else. Literally, I played Outlast. I did not play the DLC for the first one. I'll play that. I'll play that for y'all. This, I can't handle this. Actually, I couldn't even... Sugar, what? Sugar Tunnel. If I get jump scared, I'm telling y'all, I'm not touching this game no more. Yo, stop with that screen crap. Pardon? Pardon me? I can't progress in this game. Is this an exit? It's open? Let's go. It's dead silent in here. I can't do it. I hear some on my left. About to have a heart attack, I'm telling you. About to have a stroke. Please let this door be open. It's locked. Don't ever... I told you not to say I feel like I'm being watched again. Don't say that again. You really want me to have a stroke? Why is there a dead end? I don't like that. What is that? What is that? tucked in the corner. Read it? Yes. Don't jump scare me while I'm reading this. I don't know what's about to pop off. My name is David Ashford. My address is 3656 Colburn Holloway, or Hollow, I can't read, Hollow Road, Deer Creek, Massachusetts. I think I'm going to die here. I'm hiding this note and hoping somebody will uncover it and know the truth about what happened to us. Somebody came to our campsite in the middle of the night, and doesn't seem like the note was finished. I'm shaking right now. Like, they died writing that note. What do you think is gonna happen to me? I'm surprised nothing happened yet. I'm still about to be tense. What is that? Looks like a key. To what? You got a key with green paint splattered on it. Well, I haven't seen a green door yet, so when I see that, that'll be great. Hopefully these colors on the wall point to... Isn't this what I saw on the screen? I haven't seen like a green splattered on the... Like, hopefully these colors on the wall, like spray paint and stuff like that, don't indicate where I have to go. Because progression means I'm about to run into something. Hold on, let me stop talking. I need to hear. Pardon? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna say that a lot. Like, it's so hard to progress. I'm shaking right now. It's locked. No door. Okay, alright. It's locked. Good to know. Let me grab this. A newspaper article. Read it? Yes. This beginning is... Ah, dang it. I hate when I... The beginning is faded. I can't read it. She's my little girl. We just want her back. Yada yada yada. According to the Christian campsite, we called her for dinner, and she wasn't there anymore. Police are looking at all possibilities. Wildcat attacks and pretty common in the... What? In this area? Wildcats? Okay. Pardon? I don't like that. Stop knocking. What is this? What is all this? It's green sewer water. About to turn into some Ninja Turtles? Like, what is going on? Green sludge? If I get jump scared one time, I'm done. What is that? Why is the screen like that? Chill out. Okay, I'm not going that way then. Y'all think I'm playing? Let me guess. It's a metal door and it feels like somebody's watching you, right? Yeah, okay. Same thing. Same thing. Over and over and over again. They want me to go in the area where this thing, whatever, that dude that I saw up there is probably going to be in here. Look, you know he's walking around. My screen stopped doing that crap when I walked away from this area. He's around here. Sir, listen. Look at these dead ends. It's not even dead ends, it's turns and twists. Please don't hurt me. I deserve better than this. Holy crap. Pardon? I already went through here. No way I did a whole 360. No way I did all that. Just to end up back in the same spot. Oh my god. I don't like completely silent games. Like, I need music or something. And not the scary... Y'all are trying to give me a heart attack. My blood pressure. You already know what it's... Oh. Guess I'll go back upstairs. There's something down here. I don't like these controls. Like, if you press back, she walks backwards instead of her just turning around and walking that way. Like it's hard for me to turn and all that. What if I have to run? Like, it's hard for me to turn. Is this a... What's that? The door is locked. There are 3 locks with splotches of paint, blue, green, and red. Use the green! Okay, so I have green. I have the green key. All I need now... Pardon? If I get jump scared, I'm telling you, I'm done. I don't like that. I don't like that. Where am I? I don't like all this silence and wind. Where's the wind coming from? See how thick all this wall is? Where is it coming from? Oh no. Where am I? You telling me I just entered a whole new area? Like on some Resident Evil? I can't take this. Where am I right now? You got me walking through the... Is this the sugar tunnels like they were talking about? Sugar? Dead ends. A chip. Nope. Not that way. Listen. I don't even want to be silent. Because if I'm silent, that's just going to lead to something bad happening to me. Especially me having a heart attack or something. Because I can't even see where I'm going. I should probably go up, right? Don't do that. Pardon? No. I'm out. I'm out! I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Nope. Nope. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I'm gone. I can't take this. Where am I? They expect me to... Can I hide? What was that? What was that baby sound? That baby duck sound crap. Listen, I swear on everything, if I walk around this corner and something pops at me, I'm done playing this game. Like, I'm not joking. Hold on. I got an incoming call and everything. Like, there's so much stuff happening right now to me. Hold on. Let me pause this game. I'll be right back. Alright. I'm back. I'm back. Had to take a call. I'm glad I took that small 2-minute break from this game. Giving me a heart attack off rip. What was that sound I heard? Where was I anyway? Oh, this way. Listen, I swear, if I get jump scared, I'm done. I'm done. Completely. I'm not touching this game. Door. On everything. I just heard something. I heard something. I heard a footstep at the last second when I interacted with this door. I'm telling you, if I click off this, I'm done. Please don't do this to me. It's still too heavy to... Okay, whatever. No! No! What is that? Stop! Stop! Ah! Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm not playing this game. Matter of fact, right when I'm done, right when I click exit off this game, I promise I'll upload that Outlast DLC that I never actually played. Like, I played the first Outlast and beat it, and then the second one. I didn't do that on this channel because that was like 2 years ago. So, yeah, I'll just play the DLC because I'd never played that. So I'll do that right now, actually. Screw this game.